worse. It's different, man. Hey man, I've been trying to get in contact with you for a minute, man.
Oh, what?
You know that?
I'm here, brother.
It's so good to meet you, man.
You too, man. You too. Y'all see, man, we out here.
That's them. That's the Daytona ones.
This thing's clean, man. Oh man, and he got this new emblem put on. Oh, that's just sick, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Got the Turo 850Zs on. Man, this thing nice right here. Y'all see that? 315 in the back. He had to excuse your boy in time. Now I just got out of church.
Hey man, let me tell you something.
Just got out of church.
I should have been there with you. What are you talking about?
You know what I'm saying? Go over here and take a look at this here. My goodness, y'all see we got a RT shaker out here. It's clean red with the RT stripes. This is a classic, y'all. Hey man, that's all right. Hey man, say what's up to the YouTube, man. Tell them who you is.
Santana, man, Shakedown 305. I've been trying to get in contact with this dude for a long time, and I'm finally here. So, stick around. Y'all finna see something great, man.
Yes, yes. Yep.
You know.
All right, for those of y'all that's just tuning in, man. Oh boy, got a pedal commander. Let me see. Tell them what else you done did to it so far, man.
Really, man, I haven't really done that much to it. Catch can, pedal commander. That's really been it. Put the front lip spoil on the scat pack spoil.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Got my wicker bill coming soon. I'm gonna probably go on ahead. I was trying to hold back from it, but Diablo tune, man, I'm gonna have to pull it. You know, pull out my OECM and send it back in. But you know,
yeah.
I mean, just baby steps, you know. But you know, I said I wasn't gonna do anything to it, but why not?
That's it right there.
Yeah, that's it. That is it.
All right, for those out, okay, so let them know exactly what the pedal commander does, because some people might hear pedal commander and don't know what it is.
Basically, as everybody knows, for some reason, Dodge, we don't know why, like to put small tires on big cars, small throttle bodies on big engines. So which means we got small tires to burn out and make it look like we got power, but the throttle on the body, the throttle body itself, the reaction time is so slow. By the time you put your foot on it, it feels like the car's only doing probably 30 miles and you can fully stepped on it. So
got lag, yeah.
The lag on it is so terrible. Once you put that pedal commander on there, it switches the whole game up. Which means simple plug in, pull it down right here. Couple screws, pull it out right here from the pedal, and it's a plug and play. Once you put it in there, make sure, do what a buddy of mine did. Left it plugged up, airbags pop.
What?
Make sure. Take that battery cable off before you do anything. And the engine module, the number 31 fuse, which we all know makes it learn to reprogram. Take them off, put it to the side, plug it up, and well, let me tell you, it's a whole new ball game. We got Eco, which is economy. Got Sport, and we got Sport Plus. Boy, when you put it in that Sport Plus with that number 4, you're gonna kill yourself now. Just make sure. I don't want to hear nobody say, "Oh man, why you didn't tell me?" You're gonna kill yourself.
Sport Plus.
Yeah, do it to yourself now. Make sure.
Sport Plus.
Make sure Sport Plus with number 4, because you can either put it on Sport or Sport Plus. You can either negative out on the Sport 4, well, on all of them, or you could go up 4. It's gonna change it. But some people don't like to tell you. My best thing would be, I'm gonna do, switch that 80mm throttle body out and go with an 87 throttle body. And oh man, yeah, gonna be the biggest difference in your life. Oh, don't worry about it. I got a guy here. He finna drive it for y'all right now, so I don't want y'all saying, "Oh, I didn't tell you." So come on, man. Come on, man, Keith.
Let me hop in
It's
the.
on you now.
Let me see what's about. Let's see we go.
Listen, now you know how yours do without it. You know you got a slight lag, right?
Right.
Go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Finna take a ride. Oh man.
Oh man, it's interior right here though.
Yeah, dog. This.
Man, this interior right here, man.
Yeah, boy.
It's cold. It's cold.
This
man.
thing right here. Whew.
Hey, seatbelt.
Hey. Are you playing? Let me go and put the hook in. Let me make sure. You finna be slinging me out the car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I see the piece. I ain't touch the piece.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Touch the piece.
Yeah, you got a piece on the side there, so y'all be ready. Y'all be ready.
See what's hitting on.
Yeah, man. Try to come in. I think I might get one.
So I just swing it around right there.
Yeah, go ahead. See, I don't know what the experience is like with a 6-speed manual, so yeah, I'm gonna let you handle this. Oh, that shaker look nice.
Yeah, man.
Shaker is dope.
Just swing it around.
Boy, still got the plastic on the screen. He ain't playing.
Yeah, man. This thing is clean. See the light coming? Safety first.
I need a sunroof, bro.
Oh yeah, that's a big difference.
Got me like, hold on now.
That's a big difference.
Dang.
Yeah, I ain't feel nearly as much lag.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a difference. That's a difference.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, the pedal command is definitely a good investment. Hey man, cause that lag, I feel him on that lag. I feel you on that lag, even in the automatic. Uh-oh, hold up. Shaw said that ain't it. Something
You
ain't
ain't
right.
driving this right, man. Get out of here, man. Let me show you how to do this.
All right, let me see what you got, man. Let me see what you got.
Hey man, let me you wanna sit over here? I'm gonna hop in the back, man.
No, you gonna stay right where you at. We gonna show Keith how this works. You stay right where you at, man. Keep on play.
Yeah. Hey.
Keep on play.
This is turned to a reaction video.
Keep gonna play, man.
Woo boy.
I heard it chirp too a little bit.
Just a little.
He done turned it off for real.
You better show up.
He ain't got the regular traction off. He got the real, the for real off. Damn!
Show y'all how this works. It's different, man. See the difference?
Yeah, it's a big difference. That's a big difference.
Oh, this boy. Hey, man. Hey, y'all got to get one, man. I got to grab one, dog.
We ain't gonna play, man. I couldn't believe you. Okay.
He wasn't
Show
playing.
me what he got. And like, hey, man, listen. That was so crazy because I'm like, man, listen. What in the world was Keith doing?
You already know.
Hey, man. Hey,
I hardly gave mine, but you know, if it was
that boy
mine,
get in on it. He get in on it, boy.
What'd you do with the key? You left the key?
Woo, boy.
Listen, I think.
Yes, sir. Man, that whole 6-speed. Yeah. Woo. Hey.
No. Hey, hey, let me tell you. I don't need you to show me how it's done. I do it all day long, brother. I do it all day long.
That's crazy.
Fill me with just a reaction video so he can see what it's like. That's it.
Hey, man. Ooh, y'all. Okay, yeah, that pedal command is something serious. Woo. That thing has some serious pull on.